Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool A&E GTE. This is a Starlite wall telephone, and this is Jerry's telephone from California. And she had contacted us about this telephone. She could not, I believe she could hear the person she was talking to, but the person that she was talking to couldn't hear her. And so basically there was no transmit. And although it did dial out on her system, I don't believe it rang, because I want to show you something here real quick. But these are really cool phones, and they're kind of hard to find. You don't see a whole lot of these, but they're out there, and they're really neat telephones. They're an A&E and a GTE telephone, and basically that's from the 60s. Jerry had asked me if she could get the date for this telephone, and basically there's a date code up in this telephone in this corner, and it looks like it's a 61. So basically a 1961. But I can tell you the bell didn't work in it because the bell circuit has been disconnected. And so this kind of gives you a little look at it. And she wants us to go through it and repair it and clean it up a little bit. And this gives you a look at the famous A&E type rotary dial that was in these. And although this rotary dial does work, it needs to be cleaned up and adjusted and oiled and things like that. Same thing with everything going on with the inside of this telephone, and basically it just has to be repaired. I'm going to go ahead and plug this telephone into the analyzer. I'm going to give you some dial tone. So it has dial tone. So now I'm gonna dial, say, like a 2, and then I'm gonna talk into the handset. 1, 2, 3. It has no modulation. Normally here, if you watch the videos, you'll see a red light on the analyzer, and that's an indication every time that light's of 100% modulation. And on this telephone, there is no modulation. There is no transmit. So it's not working whatsoever. And so basically we'll go through the telephone and repair it. This is just the initial checkout of this telephone, and I kind of wanted to show it to you because these are really cool telephones. There's a lot of collectors for these. You know, certain people collect different types of phones, and some collectors collect all telephones. But this was the A&E GTE Starlite version, and it was their kind of their telephone competing with Western Electric in a way. But they both had their own areas, so really it wasn't a competition, but this was their version of it. And they're pretty cool telephones, and you see them from time to time. They're around, but just like all of these telephones, they're getting hard to find. And once people get a hold of these and put them away and start using them or get them working or put them back into service, there's fewer and fewer of them, and so they're just getting hard to find. But this gives you a little bit of a look on the initial checkout of this telephone, and we'll go ahead and repair this telephone. I'm going to try to do another video of this telephone because I like to show the more unique kind of telephones out there, and this is a cool telephone. This is Jerry's telephone from California, and this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.